Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. Are you having difficulty sleeping? Maybe meditation can help you. Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? Meditation might offer relief. If you've ever found yourself tossing and turning, plagued by racing thoughts about your worries or tasks ahead, you're not alone. Sleep disturbances, such as difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, affect millions of Americans. The resulting daytime sleepiness can dampen your mood, hinder productivity, and even impact your overall health. A recent small-scale study suggests that mindfulness meditation, a practice centered on breath awareness and present moment focus, could provide assistance. In the study, published in JAMA Internal Medicine a few years back, 49 middle-aged and older adults experiencing sleep difficulties participated. Half engaged in a mindfulness awareness program, learning meditation and other techniques aimed at fostering present moment awareness. The remaining participants attended a sleep education class, focusing on improving sleep habits. Both groups met weekly for 6 sessions, each lasting 2 hours. By the study's end, those in the mindfulness group reported less insomnia, fatigue, and depression compared to their counterparts in the sleep education group. These results align with the insights of Dr. Herbert Benson, Director Emeritus of the Harvard-affiliated Benson Henry Institute for Mind-Body Medicine. Dr. Benson emphasizes that mindfulness meditation is just one of various approaches that elicit the relaxation response, a physiological state counteracting stress. This response can alleviate a range of stress-related issues, including depression, pain, and hypertension, all of which are often intertwined with sleep disorders. Mindfulness meditation entails focusing on your breath and directing attention to the present moment, detaching from concerns about past or future events. This practice interrupts habitual thought patterns, inducing the relaxation response. Dr. Benson recommends a daily mindfulness session of around 20 minutes to cultivate a reflex for relaxation, facilitating its accessibility during sleepless nights. It's advised to practice mindfulness in an alert state during the day to prevent drowsiness. Here's a simple guide to get started. 1. Choose a calming focus such as your breath, a soothing sound, a prayer, or a positive phrase. 2. Relax and let go of worries. If your mind wanders, gently redirect your focus to your chosen anchor. Considering the potential benefits, why not give meditation a try to improve your sleep? Cheers! Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.